This is All India Radio, Shillong, the Northeast News Bulletin, read by Miranda Blah. As India created history by administering more than 100 crore doses of vaccine against COVID-19, All India Radio salutes all the doctors, nurses, other frontline workers and all those who got vaccinated and made this possible. Even though the country has achieved this feat, we caution our listeners that the battle against COVID is not yet over. We appeal to our listeners to get fully vaccinated at the earliest and also help others get vaccinated. During the festival season, please follow these 3 simple steps. Wear a face mask, maintain 2 gaz ki duri for social distancing, focus on hand and face hygiene. For any COVID-related information and guidance, contact national helpline numbers 011239788046 and 1075, and the helpline for Meghalaya is 108 and 1070. And now the news in detail. Union Health Minister Dr. Mansukh Mandaviya has urged states and union territories to ensure collectively through collaborative and multi-stakeholder efforts that no eligible citizen is left without the COVID vaccine. Interacting with health ministers of all states and union territories to take forward the campaign of Har Ghar Dastak, he asked them to reach each corner and household and motivate people to take both the doses. The minister stated that at present 79% of the adult population got the first dose and 38% of the eligible population has received the second dose. He also asked states and union territories to rope in children for taking forward the message of full vaccination. Large number of villagers from Maurapad, Maukasang, Mausawa, Hima Malai and Plangwanboy villages under Hima Malai Sohmat's aimship in East Khasi Hills district of Meghalaya yesterday stormed into the Mausanram police station, demanding action against the group of criminals involved in shooting the farmers of Hima Malai village on the 10th of this month, where one of them died on the spot while another one suffered bullet injuries and 4 others were injured while trying to escape in the forest. The deceased was identified as Biren Singh Maukad from Hima Malai village. Later, a meeting was held at the premises of the Hima Malai Dorbar Hall in which people took black flags and placards condemning the criminals. The people also demanded that the culprits should be severely punished. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma today is short of providing infrastructural development of Lum Iewduh of Hima Khyrim, taking part at the decapitation of goat at Lum Iewduh at Smit, which forms part of the Shat Nongkrem of Hima Khyrim. The Chief Minister, while talking to the media, said this place needs infrastructural development for preservation of the rich cultural heritage of the tribal community and also to attract tourists. He informed that the rites and rituals have been performed in this place for the last 200 years and it is time for providing infrastructural development so as to attract tourists. Manipur Chief Minister N Biren Singh has urged the people to join their hands together towards achieving 100% vaccination rate in the state before Christmas so that they could celebrate Christmas and New Year with much zeal and enthusiasm. This was stated by him during the flagging off function of COVID Vaccination Express for 13 districts of the state held at Kuman Lampak yesterday. Speaking at the function, N Biren Singh said that the COVID-19 situation is improving as there is a decline in the infection rate in the state. He appealed to the eligible persons to get vaccinated at the earliest. He reminded that during the virtual meeting with Prime Minister Narendra Modi recently, the Prime Minister was much concerned about the lagging vaccination rate in the hill districts of the state. In Assam, 95% eligible people have taken the first jab of COVID-19 in the state. Talking to AIR correspondent Mission Director of National Health Mission, Dr. Lakshmanan S. said that overall 2.89 crore vaccines have been administered so far. The Mission Director further said that the Health Department will start a door-to-door vaccination campaign to cover the left-out people. He hoped that in the next 2 weeks, all those eligible people who are yet to take the vaccine would be covered. Dr. Lakshmanan said that there was no adverse impact on the COVID-19 situation in the state following the opening of schools in Assam. He said that all COVID protocols are being followed while conducting classes. The Mission Director added that though there are reports of COVID-positive cases from 5 to 6 schools, the Health Department is in full alert to tackle any situation if required. And with that, we end the Northeast News Bulletin, which came to you from the Shillong station of All India Radio. Have a nice day.